Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this vector algebra problem. As per the problem, let vector alpha equals x plus 4y times vector A plus 2x plus y plus 1 times vector B and vector beta equals y minus 2x plus 2 times vector A plus 2x minus 3y minus 1 times vector B, where A and B are two non-zero, non-collinear vectors. If 3 times vector alpha equals 2 times vector beta, then we are given 4 answer choices. We have to choose the correct answer choice. Let's start by analyzing the given vectors alpha and beta. In these two vectors alpha and beta, x and y represent scalar quantities because there is no vector cap on x and y. We have to find the values of x and y if 3 times vector alpha is equal to 2 times vector beta. We can use this information to write an equation. We should multiply vector alpha by 3 and we should multiply vector beta by 2. Next, we can distribute 3 and 2 into the brackets. I get 3 times x plus 4y times vector A plus 3 times 2x plus y plus 1 times vector B equals 2 times y minus 2x plus 2 times vector A plus 2 times 2x minus 3y minus 1 times vector B. In this vector equation, we have vectors A and B on both sides of the equation. This vector equation will be true if the coefficient of vector A on the left side, 3 times x plus 4y, is equal to the coefficient of vector A on the right side of this equation. So we get an equation for x and y. The equation is 3 times x plus 4y equals 2 times y minus 2x plus 2. Similarly, the vector equation will be true if the coefficient of vector B on the left side, 3 times 2x plus y plus 1, is equal to the coefficient of vector B on the right side, 2 times 2x minus 3y minus 1. That gives us the second equation for x and y. I get 3 times 2x plus y plus 1 equals 2 times 2x minus 3y minus 1. We should simplify these two equations to get a linear system of equations for variables x and y. We need the equations for x and y because we have to find the values of x and y in this problem. Let's start with the first equation. We can distribute 3 on the left side and distribute 2 on the right side. Now we can combine the x and the y terms on the left side of the equation. We can move negative 4x to the left side and combine it with 3x, and we can move 2y to the left side of the equation and combine it with 12y. I get 7x plus 10y equals 4. Now we can simplify the second equation. We should distribute 3 on the left side and 2 on the right side. Now we can combine the x and y terms on the left side of this equation. 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x. 3y plus 6y is equal to 9y. And negative 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 5. This is the second equation we get for x and y. We can solve this linear system to find the values of x and y. Let's stack the equations. We can solve this linear system using the elimination method. We should multiply the first equation by 2 and second equation by 7 to get the same coefficient for the x terms in these two equations. I get 14x plus 20y equals 8, and then 14x 63y equals negative 35. Now we can subtract these two equations because the x terms have the same coefficient. The x terms cancel each other out. 20y minus 63y equals negative 43y, and 8 minus negative 35 is equal to 8 plus 35, which is equal to 43. Next we can divide both sides by negative 43. I get y equals negative 1. Now we can use this value of y to find the corresponding value of x. We can sub in this value of y in the first equation we got. 7 times x plus 10 times y equals 4. Ten times negative 1 is negative 10. Next we can add 10 to both sides. We should divide both sides by 7. I get x equals 2. So the answer should be option D. X equals 2, y equals negative 1. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.